Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update to the latest iOS, enable Scribble and pair your Apple Pencil or enable handwriting gestures. Tap Notes or Mail to open a blank note or draft. Once the keyboard appears, tap the handwriting icon to switch modes. You will see a toolbar with pen, highlighter, and lasso selection. Select the pen to begin. This first step moves you quickly from setup into active writing, so make sure the tool is visible and responsive before continuing. You write naturally with the pen and change stroke size or color to organize ideas. Once done, use the lasso tool to select a block of handwriting. Make sure to hold the selection briefly, then choose Convert to Text to transform ink into editable typed text. This preserves spacing and line breaks. If conversion misreads a word, tap it to reveal suggested corrections and edit inline. Also, use gestures like scratch to delete and two-finger, undo to keep the flow without switching tools. You finalize by applying formatting, bold, lists, or headings, after conversion, and attach images or files as needed. Then export the note as PDF or share to mail. Make sure to back up to iCloud so your converted text syncs across your iPad and Mac. If recognition fails or lag appears, toggle Scribble off and on, restart the app, and, if necessary, recalibrate by writing in different lighting and angles. That troubleshooting step fixes most recognition problems and gets you back to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.